Hey guys, I'm going to be opening up this blaster of 2019 TOPPS Allen and Ginter. Haven't opened any of this product yet on the channel. So 7 packs plus 1 extra pack, and there's 6 cards per pack. So let's check these out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. 2019 Allen and Ginter. Johnny Bench. The Matt Chapman Mini. Joey Votto. Rowdy Tellez rookie card. It's got these weird non-baseball cards in there, like of course the infamous egg card, Paul DeYoung, that a lot of people has almost become a meme on card channels. There's an Ichiro. And it also has like history of flight, kind of like old tobacco cards. See, there's Heritage Train chugging along. I just recently started collecting old tobacco cards. Some of the pitchers that had one of the most dominant years in recent history. Rattled off 19 straight wins until he lost that first start in the World Series. But Garrett Cole's on his way to a huge contract. Hall of Famer Dennis Eckersley. And a nun. Hall of Famer Lou Brock. Hideki Matsui Mini with a different kind of border. Baseball star signs. I've seen a few of these. These are really nice looking cards. Noah Syndergaard, Virgo. The Iron Horse. Lou Gehrig. Corey Kluber. Franco. Dahl. Ginter Greats. This is another cool insert. They have some really cool inserts for this year of Allen and Ginter. I picked up a couple cards, individual cards off of eBay. But like I said, I haven't opened any of this product yet. But Ginter Greats, Derek Jeter. New to the Zoo, Tiger Cub. And Dansby Swanson. Elvis Andrews, Turner, Garcia Parra, Colby Allard rookie card mini. See, here's another one. It's got like Thor's hammer, there's Robin Hood's bow, stuff like that. An AJ Burnett card. There you go. That's a cool card right there. Really good rookie pool. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. rookie card. It's one of the ones I was hoping we'd pull. Dan Rather, Hall of Famer Carlton Fisk. Somebody I started collecting recently is Eddie Matthews. So that's cool. Mares and Stallions and Miguel Andujar. So we're down to our last couple packs here. Hall of Famer Tony Gwynn. There's a Nolan Ryan mini. Neshek. Baseball star signs. Anthony Rizzo. Profar. So we're down to our last pack. 2019 Allen and Ginter. Reese Hoskins. Some guy with a guitar. Brian Fallon, whoever that is. Ginter greats Robin Yount. Collectible canines, a corgi. Okay. Zach Greinke, and finishing off the box is George Brett. So going through the cards here, we got some, mid-level rookies and all-stars, some superstars, and really the best rookie pool was that Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And we got a nice stack of Hall of Famers and Surefire future Hall of Famers there. And we got a couple Hall of Famer mini cards. We got all the non-baseball cards, like some minis, horses, dogs, nuns, you name it. So there you go. Pretty cool product. I think the hobby boxes are a little overpriced for the level of hits that you get. I mean, you might even get hits out of them that aren't baseball players. But still doesn't hurt. I got the box for like 13 bucks. So it was a cool little rip. So I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.